This is Mrs. Wilkoskis in the library. It is August 27th, 2018, and I'm going to show you how to take a topic and narrow it for a research project. So I'm in the opposing viewpoints databases, and I'm browsing categories. And on some of these categories, you're going to find so many resources, so much written about it that you can't really narrow it down. And you've got to pick a topic and a stance and decide which side you're on and argue that. So I'm going to start with something that I know has a lot of resources: conservation. There are 363 reference articles, which are like encyclopedia articles. So if you were doing a report about something, a reference article would be good and to start with. And it's good to start with for background information also, but you've got to take a stance. So a viewpoint article is very good to start with, but you've got 330 viewpoint articles. So I'm going to click on viewpoint articles. And this is a lot to go through. So what you want to do, or what you might want to do, is come over here to subjects. So these are articles, subjects that involve conservation and environmental policy. This would be conservation and climate change, conservation and animal welfare, conservation and fish conservation. So let's say I was interested in let's do something like conservation and endangered species. I'm going to click through there. That's still a lot of articles. It is possible I could just click through here and get enough that you can tell by the title what it's about, okay? But let's say you still wanted to limit it. You could say, if you click on this one, you're dealing with conservation, endangered species, and climate change all in the same topic. That's pretty specific, and there's 5 resources on it in this database. You can find more resources to support it in other databases, but that makes it very specific. And the more specific you get, sometimes the easier it is to write, as long as you have enough information. So this would be a great way for you to narrow your topic to a manageable size so that you don't get inundated with information. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help.